You want success? Listen up. I did it right. I got good grades in school. I got a good job. I got a degree. I did everything right. And then one day I was like, wait, what am I doing? Is this work 40 years for somebody else and then so called retire? Is this really going to work for me? Truth is, I actually liked my job till we got bought out by people that were mean to me. I felt like I would be punished if I was to take off to do something for my daughter. I mean, I'm not just doing this for a job. This is my life. But what are we supposed to do, right? I mean, what's the point anyways? I worked so much that my daughter always told me she missed me. You live and you learn. That's okay, because I found freelance digital online marketing that saved me, and now I love turning around and teaching it to other people to help them get out of the same crap I was in. This is you. There's hope and so many possibilities. There's actually tons of resources out there for you. Listen, and if you don't know where to start, see my profile or just simply binge my videos. So listen, when you need a friend, Shelly is in your corner. Make sure you follow for more.